Joshua, make it honk.
What is it?
Yeah.
That's right.
Open it up, honey. Can you open it up? Show him how to open it.
Okay, let's lose these ritters.
Yeah, you might need it. Look, he's like, Daddy. Daddy.
Open it up.
So you have to turn it over.
Turn it over. Alright, Thomas.
And the Isle of Sodor is wrecked by Hurricane Joshua. Turn it over, Joshua. Look at it. Turn it over, honey. Turn the book over.
Okay, let Daddy help you out for a minute. Where's the multi-tool?
I gave it to you. It's over there by the hammer.
Here, Josh, multi-tool, multi-tool. Hold on, Josh. Stay with Mommy.
Here you go, Joshua.
Hold on, Josh. Daddy's doing stuff that's, you know, not safe. Here. Josh is like, fine, I've got plenty of other stuff.
Yeah, Josh was like, okay, on to the next distraction. Did I hear Lightning McQueen and Mater?
You sure did.
Careful, Joshua. Wait, Joshua. Joshua, come here, honey.